Welcome to Just Healthy, your daily dose of health tips and tricks to keep you thriving. Whether you're looking to revitalize your diet, enhance your fitness routine, or explore cutting-edge medical treatments, we've got you covered. Tune in daily for expert insights, practical advice, and the motivation you need to live your healthiest life. Let's make health a priority, one day at a time. Stay tuned because your journey to better health starts right now. So, I've got something super interesting for you today, and it's actually about this treatment I've been hearing about everywhere for plantar fasciitis.
Oh yeah, shockwave therapy. You know, this is actually like one of my absolute favorite treatments to talk about because, and it's just incredible how it works.
I've been really curious about this because, a lot of runners seem to be talking about it lately.
Right. So basically, like, shockwave therapy uses these high energy acoustic waves that literally penetrate deep into the tissue. You know what I mean? And what's super fascinating is that it actually triggers the body's natural healing response.
Oh, wow. So how exactly does it help with plantar fasciitis?
So there are actually multiple mechanisms at play here. First off, and this is really cool, it stimulates what we call neovascularization, which means it creates new blood vessels in the affected area. And this increased blood flow, right? It brings more oxygen and nutrients to help repair the damaged tissue.
That's actually really fascinating. What other effects does it have?
Oh my goodness, there's so much more. Like, it also breaks down these calcified fibroblasts, these stubborn scar tissue formations that can form in chronic cases. And it also releases these substances called growth factors that they're absolutely crucial for healing.
I'm really interested in knowing about the actual treatment process.
So the treatment itself is super straightforward. You typically need about 3 to 6 sessions, and each one lasts maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And what's really amazing is that many patients start feeling better, right after the first session.
And what about the success rate? Does it work for everyone?
Well, the research is actually really promising. Studies show that about 80% of patients experience significant pain relief. And what's even better is that the effects are long-lasting. You know what I mean? We're talking about sustained relief for months and even years.
Are there any side effects people should know about?
The beauty of it is that it's minimally invasive. Some patients might experience some minor discomfort or bruising right after treatment, but it's usually very mild and goes away quickly. And compared to surgery, the recovery time is it's practically non-existent.
That's been super informative. Thanks for sharing all of this with our Just Healthy listeners today.
Absolutely. And remember, everyone, if you're dealing with plantar fasciitis, shockwave therapy could be a real game changer for you. It's definitely worth discussing with your healthcare provider.
And that's all for today's episode of Just Healthy. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.